Are your AirPods acting up, random disconnect, cutting out during calls, or just plain frustrating to use? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's fix it right now. Whether you're in the middle of a Zoom call, jamming out at the gym, or just trying to chill, suddenly your AirPods cut out. Again, it's super annoying, right? Stick around because in the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the fastest, most effective fixes to get your AirPods working flawlessly. First, check those ear detection sensors. These little guys pause your music when they think your AirPods are out of your ears, and if they're dirty or covered in wax, they might get confused. Take a microfiber cloth or a damp paper towel and gently clean around the small, black sensors on each AirPod. Focus on that small oval near the top, especially on AirPods Pro. Next up, low battery can cause random drops, especially if you've had your AirPods for over a year. Open the charging case near your iPhone. You'll see a pop-up with battery levels. If either the AirPods or the case is below 20%, plug them in. Even if you've got wireless charging, use a cable. It's faster and more reliable. Still glitching? Try this soft reset. Pop the AirPods back in the case, close the lid for about 15 seconds, then open it and put them back in your ears. This reboots the internal Bluetooth connection, and it works more often than you'd think. If the problem's on your phone's end, swipe down to open Control Center, tap the Bluetooth icon to turn it off, count to 10, then turn it back on. Sometimes your iPhone just needs a little nudge to reconnect properly. Still no luck? Time for a full AirPods reset. Put both AirPods in the case, open the lid, and press and hold the button on the back until the front light flashes white. That's your cue to reconnect them just like the first time. If your AirPods are still being weird, you might be dealing with a hardware issue, especially if they've been through some wear and tear. At that point, it's worth booking a quick checkup at the Apple Store. Hopefully, that fixed your AirPods. If it did, drop a thumbs up, hit that subscribe, and don't forget to tap the bell so you don't miss more tech tips like this.